know what this is. This all well. That's not bad at all.
What's that? Oh, really?
It's not bad at all.
That shit's not bad. The caramel part makes it good.
Right there. Oh my goodness. That's probably bubbly delicious.
It is.
Yeah, it's weird. All the people I normally tag since I've been down here, I can't do it.
That's actually not bad at all.
No wonder. God darn it.
What connection?
Wrong page. That's why I couldn't tag nobody yesterday.
Man, that is actually pretty good.
Uh-oh, you saying that? What?
You got a fork?
Yeah, I will in 1 second.
What, for your egg?
Yeah, you want to snip? You want to take a snip off the end?
No, because they got all that stuff inside of it.
You gonna get all that stuff inside of it? But it's good too. It makes them. It tastes good going in. When you hit the back of your palate, that's when you want to do that. That's when you want to do that butt naked dance.
I'm getting to it. Well, I'm doing on my social graphics.
You're definitely right about the Mardi Gras.
Yeah, he's over here. He's like,
I'm so glad you're enjoying it. Your cinnamon roll looks good today. It looks really thick.
It is. I tried with the syrup. It makes it good.
With what? The syrup? Yeah, no, some people don't like that.
Yeah.
But
I mean, the caramel makes it good too.
the rum butter?
yeah.
This is the girl I'll make on my way.
Huh?
Yeah, both stayed home at the same time. If this was a girl, I'd make her my wife.
Oh,
Dang.
I thought you were some other waitress.
I ain't that great, man.
It seemed like it.
I don't know what that sauce is on top.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, do you back my line? Y'all want these berries? Those old. I said, y'all want these berries? Yeah, I was like, I wouldn't mind eating the blueberry, but they have like sometimes a sheep thing.
Oh, those are
Blueberries. No, that's the other one.
Oh, the raspberries? That's what it kind of looks like.
Oh, what about that one time when we was in the apartment and I had a blueberry and then they had that?
A blackberry.
Was it?
I think it was, yeah, because it shouldn't have seeds in blueberry.
Dude, I don't know. I don't know. Eat this much in one sitting.
The same.
Oh God, this is.
Oh, you can see me good?
Yeah, I see you good now.
All right, everybody, I'm back. I got the crab cake Benedict with grits on the side.
Oh my God.
You can't tell me that don't look good right there, you know what I'm saying? Look at the grits. Now, my man Ronald over here is having a fit. I'm gonna find out why. What'd you get? He got a Mardi Gras almond.
Man, this thing is banging like. I don't know what the sauce is, but the crawfish and the shrimp with the sauce on top and the, oh jeez Louise.
Yeah, they got crawfish in there, shrimp. They got all that inside this omelet.
If this was a girl, I'd make it my wife.
Oh, he wants to marry. And then J-Rock right here, he already smashed it. He got cinnamon roll French toast with some
caramel.
Yeah, with caramel. Got some blueberries on there, strawberries. He had eggs and bacon on that plate. But I'm about to go in. Hold up. Make sure I'm good to go. Am I good to go on here?
Yeah.
All right. Where's my
Your utensils right
my
there.
utensils here?
Here, let me scoop this stuff out.
Oh, good gosh.
There's also some butter.
Thank you.
Sure.
All right, y'all hold up. Work with me. I ain't have all this prepared. This stuff just came. Let me go in real quick. Oh, this is on some kind of. Oh, this is tapped on top of a muffin. Hold up, y'all. All right. I'm just trying to get it. Just trying to get it. This is the crab cake here. Just like a party in your mouth.
That's crab cake? It looked like a biscuit.
Yeah. Here's an egg with that sauce on there right there. And on top of it. Hold up. Oh, they got it on the English muffin. Look at the steam coming off. Again, y'all see that?
You should flip it over so they can see the bottom.
Yeah, that's the bottom right there. Thank you very much. It's the andouille. I'm sorry, my bad. The it's the sauce on there that they use. Look at all that. Party in your mouth, baby.
I know I'm gonna regret this.
What you mean you're going to regret this?
Hold on. One second.
I think I just had too many strokes.
Well, they were having a fit over there. Look. This is really good. Honestly, this is so good. I'm not even looking into eating the egg, seriously. I'm going to.
Motion.
Look at this.
That's a shame when it's so good. I eat wrong stuff.
This is awesome right here. They grilled the crab cake. You can see a little bit of steam coming off. So nice and hot. Yeah, and they do have andouille sausages in here with a sauce. Right there. There it is.
Another broken egg.
The grits are. I gotta taste the grits for y'all. But this is so good, so good. This is really good stuff. You ever fix this?
They broke the mold.
Yeah, they broke the mold. And I ain't gonna lie, I let my grits sit too long. These grits are creamy.
I forgot to go English.
Kind of mixing it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
This is real good here. So another broken egg, cafe. Out in Louisiana, Shreveport. This is good stuff. If you ever travel to this area, come get it. I'm gonna finish everything off camera, but as you can see, the smashing is done.
Absolutely delicious. I feel like a stuffed pig in another broken egg.
You can't eat anymore.
I can't eat, not another bite.
Not even the